Have you ever thought about leaving your own religion to follow the wise words of the Flying Spaghetti Monster? Well, this is him over here, and to many Pastafarians, he is the creator of everything in life, and he actually holds up the gravitational pull with his noodly appendages. Everyone has their own link to religion, whether you believe in one God, many gods, or you don't believe in a God at all. There's always church and religion in the community. For myself, I haven't found the right religion, but in my search I have found the Church of the Flying Spaghetti Monster, or Pastafarianism. Pastafarianism is the most interesting religion I have found to date, and I hope you learn more about it in my speech. We're going to go over how it came into light in 2005, and then we'll talk about some of the things that they believe in, and then end with traditions and customs that they follow. The FSM has been around for hundreds of years, but it wasn't until 2005 when Bobby Henderson, the creator of the Flying Spaghetti Monster, wrote an open letter to the Kansas School Board concerned about the teaching of intelligent design alongside evolution, because if intelligent design was getting taught, he wanted to make sure that the FSM community was getting represented as well. In the book Voices of Unbelief by McGowan in 2014, they state that intelligent design is the idea that some features of the universe are too complex to be explained without a supernatural creative force. That force in many people's lives is God, and to the FSM it is the Flying Spaghetti Monster. With Henderson's hard-hitting facts from his own website, the Church of the Flying Spaghetti Monster, last updated in 2018, they state that although scientific facts have proven that we have a 99% correlation with primates, they state that we have a 99.9% correlation with pirates. From that same website, Henderson accuses Christians of misguiding people's belief about the pirates. They were once humble and kind travelers, but now they're seen as murderous savages. This letter has sparked a revolution, and people started to question their own religion and what they actually believed in. After that letter, in 2005, Henderson published the Gospel of the Flying Spaghetti Monster book in 2006, which covers the backstory of the FSM and the 8 I Really Rather You Didn'ts. One of the 8 I Really Rather You Didn'ts from the European Church website, last updated in 2018, stated, "I really rather you didn't indulge in conduct that offends yourself or your willing consenting partner of legal age and mental maturity," which kind of pokes fun at the 10 Commandments, one of them being, "Thou shalt not commit adultery." Bloomberg in 2016 wrote in the Salt Lake Tribune stating that the FSM community aims to show that not only is intelligent design silly, but organized religions themselves are silly, and to not take religion as seriously as it should be. Along with that, they believe in a kind of adventurous afterlife, with their heaven consisting of beer volcanoes and stripper factories. And if you were bad, you would actually go to hell, which is a freezer, and unfortunately you'd get freezer burn, which was all stated in Tossel's 2005 article, Imposta We Trust. In the same European Church website as mentioned before, they stated some of the traditions and holidays that they follow, 2 of them being the Pastacash and the Ramadan, not to be confused with the Jewish Passover or the Muslim Ramadan, although they oddly line up on the same dates as each other. In contrast, in the Muslim Ramadan, they fast and they pray a lot, which in contrast, the Pastafarians don't pray at all, and they actually indulge themselves in ramen over those many days. Pastafarians have sparked a lot of trouble with their pirate outfit and their talk in the community and their workplace, but it wasn't until a couple years ago when they tried taking their driver's license picture with the colander on their head, which is their official headgear. But according to Duffy's article in 2011, they stated that the United Kingdom allowed their residents to finally wear the colander on their head for their driver's license picture. And over here, this guy's actually getting sworn in with his colander on his head as well, which is a great step forward for this community and religion. But it's not all fun and games because of the backlash this community gets because people think it's just a big joke. Laycock, in his 2016 article, The Problem with Invented Religions, state that these types of religions, such as the Flying Spaghetti Monster, make it hard for people to understand which religions should count as religions and which ones shouldn't. Rejection is known to any religion, including the FSM, but as a community, they still stand tall in what they believe in. Henderson started this movement in 2005 and wrote and published the Gospel in 2006. Believing in this afterlife might be a stretch for some people, but other people can't wait to join in on the fun. This church is by far the most interesting religion I know, and if you want to know more about this religion, I have provided the link above to the website, and if you want to become the minister for the FSM community, you can purchase this diploma on the same website for $25. Thank you.